Lots of hard work has gone into making this home move and ready for you. New tile and upstairs baths. Lots of closet space and eave storage. A laundry chute to make laundry a bit easier. Very oversized one-car garage with shelving. Big backyard. New vinyl plan and hall, den and upstairs. Some popcorn removed from ceilings. Wet bar in between dining and living rooms for entertaining ease. Current sellers using it as a pantry too. Wood-burning fireplace in the den flanked by built-in shelves. Cute room at the top of the stairs was used as an office but would be perfect for napping room or nursery. First floor bedroom engineered for handicapped access to full bath. Primary bedroom upstairs has sitting area along with 3 closets and ensuite bath. Creek in the very back of the lot for exploring. Interactive neighborhood where you can see walkers and bikers. Close to shopping and dining in downtown Jamestown. Easy access to Highway 2. Hurry before this one has left the building.